Okay, now let's get started. Now the materials we need for this are a piece of fabric which is 8 inches by 8 inches. A smaller bit, of course, 8 inches by 8 inches you take a fabric. It's a square piece. And then in this session we are not going to use the machine, the needle or thread. We are going to stick it using the fabric glue. So the second material required is the fabric glue, Fevicryl fabric glue. Okay, and then to beautify that, to enhance that, we need some of the colors, the 3D outliners. They may be either the neon colors or the regular colors or the pearl colors, pearl metallic colors, whatever you have right now with you, please go ahead. Okay, here I have taken red, then pearl silver, and then neon orange. So we are going to use these colors now for enhancing the piece. And then to decorate it we need a lace. Of course I have lots, I'm into art and crafts, so I have lots of these materials at home. If you don't have, never mind, you can just save this video and later on you can do the piece also. I'm sure this is going to be a big hit in the forthcoming Navaratri festive season. Okay, and then once again for decoration we need some leather motifs. These are leather laces which I had. I'm going to use all this now. So I have some few patterns motifs here, floral, then diamond shaped, and here floral pattern with the leaves also. So something like that. If you don't have like this, you can go in for say kalamkari patches or some other kind of patches also, or what the other items which you normally use for the work, tailoring work. And then we need some half pearls, then some disco pearls, then the mica mirrors, and then we need velcro tape. The most important is the scissors. Okay, now let's begin. We will start the work. Now take this 8 by 8 inches fabric. Here, of course, once again, the color, the texture, either the printed or the plain, it's all up to you. You can choose. Okay. Now just fold it into half. Exactly into half. Now we are going to stick the open three sides. So apply the glue. Just apply the glue on the three open sides, and then you stick it. Place the other one on top of it, then give a press, stick it. We can even cut the raw edges also. No need, but still I'm doing it. Okay. Fine. Next step, we have to stick the lace on all the four sides of this fabric. Once again, the lace, you can stick it, or you can even give a piping over here, or some other contrast color kalamkari pieces also you can stick. So entirely the creativity, the decoration, everything depends on you, one's own creativity. So you can do according to your wish. Here I am using this kind of lace. This is an 1/2 inch lace. So let me stick it over here. Apply the glue first on one side. Here we need to apply a little more extra because the lace is little thicker. So better to apply a little extra over there. Place the lace over here. Press it nicely. Of course this takes little extra time. So what we do here is take a wooden clip or a paper clip. Just pin it up here. Okay. Then you turn the lace like this, put little glue over here, turn it, give a press, and put a clip over here also. This will take minimum 10 minutes to dry. So till then we will secure it with the clip. Okay. Then now the second side. Apply glue. Such an easy project, very simple, quick. Here I am using the glue. In case if you want to stitch it also, you can try. Absolutely not an issue. This glue works out very well. Actually, Fevicryl fabric glue works out very well. This is glue exclusive for working on the fabrics. Then give a press all over. Then like how we did this end, the same way you just give a turn to the lace. Apply glue at the third side, on the third side. Over here also, especially the corner, you have to apply glue. Place the lace on top of the previous one and then you put a clip over there. Now let us finish the fourth side. Those who have got the material, hope you are all done with this step. You can use paper clips also. I'm sure during this lockdown period, those who are into art and craft, we are all creating so many articles and we keep ourselves engaged too. Of course, spending lovely time with the family. So, இப்போ நம்ம இந்த 4 sides-உம் cover பண்ணிட்டோம். Yeah, now we will cut the lace. Let's cut the extra lace. Okay. Now let us turn the fabric. This side we are going to attach the handle for the piece. So the handle can be on, you can do it with the fabric. The length of the fabric will be 9 inches by 2 inches. You can give a fold like this from both the sides. Again, one more fold in the center. You can either stitch it or stick it as you wish, or else you can even use the same lace also for the handle. Now let us stick this. Since this project is for fully with the fabric glue, I am sticking the handle also with the glue. Just fold from both the sides and once again in the center, making a tape like this. Okay, this also need time to dry, so leave it to dry. See, now this is almost set actually, but it's better we give some time for it to set properly. Okay, now let me use this. I told you this is 9 inches. Now we can remove these 2 clips from here. You apply glue. This is also once again leave equal gaps from the corners and then place it over here. The other end also you place it here. Now we can replace the clip. Similarly, do on the other side also, the opposite side. We need 2 handles for this. So now let's do over here. Same positioning. Apply the glue. This is once again fabric glue, exclusive for fabric. Press it. The other side also we will put the clip. Now the handle is ready. The next step, when we are hanging it, we have to close it. So for that we need to fix the Velcro tape all the 4 corners. Okay, we will cut the Velcro tape. See, this also once again, depending upon the fabric color, you can go in either with black or with white. That's left you, and whatever is available with you also. Hi Usha, Chandini, Geeta, Chitra, so kind of you to join. Jaya, good afternoon, welcome. Okay, now we will cut the Velcro tape. We need 2 bits. Now let us stick these at the corners. We will remove the clip from there. Let us apply the glue. Take 1 piece of it, you just place it over here. Then we'll secure it with the clip. These are, what is that? No, what is that? Kumu, this is actually the pasted tape. This is the length is, I told you, no, it is 9 inches by 2 inches. You fold it and make a tape like that. We are using it here for the handle. Now here, this is the Velcro tape for sticking. You must have heard of this, right? And I'm sure you'll be handling this also. Okay. Hi Priya. Okay. Now the other half of the Velcro tape, we will place it over here, just the opposite side. Let's apply the glue. Place it over here. Put the clip. Now one side it's over. Now let's do on the other side. Open the tape. One end over here, the other piece on the other side. Over here. Okay. Now the back side, the work is over. Now we have to decorate the front side of the holder. Now this is plain. In case if you are taking a printed fabric, you can straight away finish off the project. But since I've taken the, see this Velcro tape, when we put the cell over here, hi Jaya, see we have stuck 2 Velcro tapes at both the corners, right? We keep the cell over here, close it, lock it, and then we hang it on the plug point like this. So just to have a safety. Okay, I'll show you how to use it also at the end of the session. Now the back side work is over. On the front side, I want to do some sort of enhancement. So let us do that. Let this dry. I have another piece in which we will do the decoration part of it. So I told you for decoration, I'm going in for these kind of leather laces. Let me cut a small bit of it, a small motif from this, a floral one. Remove the extra leather and all. Get the proper shape of the pattern. Okay, now this will be folded into half. So one half you do some design and the other half also you can do. As I told you earlier in the intro, you can not only use these stuffs, you can use kalamkari motifs, you can go in for bandhani printout patterns, you can just do it as a patchwork. Now we will stick this. A simple decoration I'll teach you. This is a very simple project. Put the glue, just paste it over here. See to it that all the sides are pasted. Okay. If you want, you can add little more glue also. Make sure it's stuck properly. Okay. Now this is pakka. Now let us do some work in it. Take the liner. Here I have taken a red color liner. I am going to give a pearl effect over here. So here you can see a small pattern, tilak shape pattern, that I am going to fill it up with this 3D outliner. Just squeeze little, make a tilak shape. My favorite one, working with the 3D liners. I always love to do work with the liners. Most of my works, in fact, actually have this kind of work. Whether I do it on a fabric or a non-fabric, I finally end up with this kind of liner work. Okay, now let's stick some disco beads. These are disco colored beads. All of you must have heard of the regular half pearls, all those things. Now this is disco beads. Now let us stick them all here. Follow the leather motif. Then you can stick the beads also. You can use mirrors, mica mirrors, or the regular ones. Once again I am telling you, the creativity is yours. Only the idea of making this hanger is mine. And whatever material is available with you, you can try with that. Let me see whether anybody shares the finished piece at the end of the session. Okay, now I have finished sticking the disco beads. Then let me take white color liner. This is one of my favorite technique, the head and tail, the comma stroke. Now just on top of this, start making lines like this, the head and tail. It can be one in the center, two on either side. Depending upon the area, the space, you can increase or decrease the number of strokes. Then turn over here. You can keep turning the fabric as per your convenience. Then over here, these are just like mehendi combs. You can make wonders with this. Works so well on the fabric as well as on the non-fabric also. Then in between the two, we can keep dots, or if you wish to have some pearls, you can stick pearls also. Okay. Now let me once again stick some disco beads at the tip of all this. These are all fabric glue. So the creativity is endless. You start with one and end up with something else. So that also looks very beautiful and you're so happy about the finishing product, the output which you get. Then in the center, once again, let us stick a small bead, a white pearl or the same disco pearl. So depending upon the fabric, you choose the colors of the pearls also. Here it is somewhat maroon color. So I have gone in for gold, white and then the disco colored beads. Okay. So now this is over. I will do another technique, another kind of work. I'll just show you what we could do in that. Now see here in this, I have done the painting only with the pearl metallic color and then the brush. With the brush I have done the pearl metallic using the pearl metallic gold. Very simple painting. And then I'm going to show you a different pattern over here. Then another one is just a plain designed fabric. Here I have not done anything, just done the piece alone. Then we have one more piece. Here what I have done is, the technique is the same, the measurement is the same, everything is the same. On top of this I have stuck, using the fabric glue, I have stuck the bandhani cutout from the bandhani fabric, a small cutout from the fabric. On both the sides I have stuck the pieces. So this is looking very pretty, isn't it? Okay, Mekalai ma'am, did you like it? Okay, now let me do on this. Let me, using the neon colors, let me show you a pattern. This is a silk cotton fabric. See, silk cotton fabric. The one which I showed you is a cotton fabric, a regular cotton one. And this of course printed one. This is the 2x2 blouse bit. I'm sure all of you must be having the blouse bits at home. You can try immediately. Okay, now over here let us do some work. Now using the neon orange, I'm going to make some crisscross patterns. Okay, let's start. Now before that, let me fold it so that I'm sure about the area also where I have to work. Then parallel to this, draw lines. Of course, straight away with the liner I'm doing. If you are little scared of, you can draw with a pencil or with a marker pencil, and then following that you can do with a liner. Absolutely no hard and fast rule. Okay, now one side I have done. That is one direction. Now let me turn the fabric. Let me put the lines on the opposite direction to get the crisscross patterns. Let me start from here. Let the squares be uniform, equal, same. You can even wait also for it to dry and then you can continue. But here I am straight away completing the squares. Now I have completed this. Now I am not going to leave it as it is. Let me enhance it with the mica mirrors I have. Just squeeze, not on all squares. We will have it on alternate ones. Squeeze little bit of the liner. Am I audible to you all? Just say yes or no. Am I audible? Place a mica mirror, then you press it. So what happens is, the liner, the 3D liner at the bottom of the mica mirror starts squeezing out around the side, forming a ring. Okay, now I will leave these, then I will alternate squares I am going to decorate. Take a mica mirror, just place it over there. Using the back side of the brush, give a gentle press in the center and see to it that the liner squeeze out at the sides. all over the sides, making a ring around it. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Friends? Okay, that's good. Now, over here, a simple pattern one can easily do. Just press nicely in the center. After placing it, do it very slowly, press it very slowly so that the mirror also sticks properly, and then the liner which comes out around the mirror is perfect. Okay, now over here, a very simple pattern. Always use the back side of the brush. Just touch little glue in it, and then you can take one by one and place it. Hope you're all enjoying this, and I'm sure you'll be waiting for the final product, how to use it, how to hang it. So keep tuned for more and more notifications. Planning to have more such online sessions. So these are neon colors. Okay, now we have completed this. See here, a crisscross pattern created, and then I have stuck the mirrors, I mean the mica mirrors on it, squeezing the neon liners. Okay, now let us see how it's being used. I'll just show you. Just give me a moment. I'll clear the area. Give me this cover. It's there. See now, the cell will be inside the cover, so you can just plug in. You open the fabric like this, place the cell, then lock it over there at the top where we have fixed the fabric, I mean the Velcro tape. And now this is the plug. You have to, one second. Just hang it over there. This of course will be plugged onto the mobile. So this will be the finished product of a mobile charging hanger made out of fabric, and we did not use either the machine, the sewing machine, or the needle and thread. We have done it only with the Fevicryl fabric glue. Hope you all enjoyed this. These are some of the other, show me the finished pieces. This is another one which I showed you, a plain one. So I'm sure every family, each and every one of us have one or two pieces, I mean one or two mobiles. So let us all make one like this, especially in this lockdown period. Do something creative, engage yourself. Hope you all like this. So how is it, friends? Isn't it pretty? I loved it. I liked it. Thank you, Usha. Immediate reply. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sasi. Thank you so much. Okay, Saraswati, thank you so much. So, hi Vaidegi ma'am. Good afternoon. Nitya, good. So this is the final finished product, and I'm showing you how to use it also. Keep trying. So keep tuned for more notification, and next week also I'll be meeting again with another project. So I think it's time to wind up. Hope you all like the project, the session also. Anjali Mani, thank you. Sri Vidya, thank you. Shanti, Antalakshmi, Kumud, Vijay Lakshmi, thank you. Malini. Hi Mumbai friends. Most of the names I may not know, but anyhow, Mumbai friends, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed. Sharanya, Gayatri, wow, very good, very good. Thank you. Hope Sashi Fabrics, hope you like the session. Keep trying. Chitra, super. So next week we'll have another project coming up. The notification will be intimated to you. Hi Kalyani. We'll do afterwards and show it to you. That's good. Very kind of you. Thank you, Shanta. Thank you so much. So friends, I'm signing off right now, and next week we'll meet again. We'll keep rocking. We'll make some new projects, especially simple and easy one which you all could do, and with the whatever materials available at home. Okay, thank you so much. See you all. Bye bye.